Ya. Audiencia de Maury Filming TV, nos encontramos acá en Livingston Guatemala con el embajador que nos acompaña en esta jornada médica del diabético muy importante para Livingston Guatemala. Sabemos de que esto es como una pandemia acá y bueno, vamos a platicar en torno a él y que nos pueda explicar su estancia en Livingston Guatemala. Bienvenido.
I had come to Livingston for the first time in December 2025. I met with the local people, members of the former Indian community who have lived here for more than 200 years. Their generations came in 200 years back to Livingston. So at the meeting with the mayor last time, we had discussed about the possibility of holding a medical camp, considering that there are a number of patients of diabetes here, and also establishing a permanent medical healthcare center, because I hear that patients have to be rushed to Protoverse for any emergencies, and some of them even don't survive such emergencies. So priority is to first have a medical camp to identify the patients and to treat them. Another priority is to spread awareness that diabetes can be prevented through making the young generations aware about this disease, having a healthy lifestyle. So embassy is planning to have some kind of brochures, booklets to spread awareness about this disease, so that second and third generations of the communities here don't suffer. I appreciate the tremendous harmony which all the communities show here: Garifuna, indigenous, Mayans, the Indians. So I like the spirit and harmony which they live together, and I appreciate this kind of spirit, and we will try our best on part of the embassy to help the people in all possible ways.
Háblenos sobre el hermanamiento de Guatemala con Hindúa, asimismo del país de donde usted viene, para poder fomentar estas importantes jornadas. Tengo entendido de que no solamente son estas jornadas que se han realizado. Por nuestra parte, como Maury Filming TV, hemos participado en cubrir algunas actividades que han.
When I came for this posting to Guatemala in September 2025 last year, I had heard about Livingston, that we have some generations with Indian roots who are living here for more than, like, their generations came when the British and the other colonists took Indians from our motherland and for plantation cultivation in Suriname and other places in Caribbean. So some of the generations, some of the people came towards Guatemala and they settled here and started working as fishermen. So I got interested. I just wanted to visit and meet the people with Indian roots, and not only Indian people with Indian roots. I have equal respect for Garifuna and of course, for the indigenous Mayan people, for whom, like, I have come for this posting, which I find it's a dream posting, because being a history student, I know that there are various types of communities living harmoniously. So for me, Guatemala is a perfect example of diverse communities living in harmony.
¿Cuál será la coordinación entre Hindúa, Guatemala y la embajada que usted preside para este mismo año?
Certainly for Garifuna also and for the other communities. I have a proposal for them, for their cultural troupe to come to our functions, and they are most welcome to attend our events whenever they take place. So whenever such event, we'll definitely inform them. And we also invite cultural troupe from Garifuna to perform at our International Day of Yoga and at our Independence Day in August, June and August.
Muchísimas gracias. Amigos y amigas, Maury Filming TV desde Barrio Nuevo Crichino, cubriendo la jornada médica organizado por Hindúa, Municipalidad de Livingston. Hemos escuchado las palabras del señor embajador de la India, acompañándonos en esta jornada, una grata organización que se ha realizado hermanándose con Guatemala, Municipalidad de Livingston y la Embajada de India. Vamos a pasar para que ustedes puedan presenciar estos salones que están acá atrás, donde se están realizando las pruebas médicas, que son de suma importancia. Un gran número de personas se han hecho valer acá en esta oportunidad, se están regalando los medicamentos y pues a visualizar los espacios y las personas que se encuentran en el entorno. Check.